A delicate balance then as the economy continues to decline. Our correspondent in Beirut, Leila Molana-Allen, tells us more about the talks with the International Monetary Fund that have just begun, what they may bring in terms of relief and restrictions.
Really didn't want to do this again. Businesses have been suffering hugely. This pandemic came at the worst possible time. Since the end of last year, the economy here has taken a steep nosedive, and lots of businesses already had to close because they simply couldn't keep their doors open. Now those that have had to close for the last 10 weeks, who knows if they'll ever be able to open again, if they'll be able to finance that. And there had been a lot of discussion. Would Lebanon ask for money from the IMF? They finally did, and those negotiations started yesterday by video call. Now, there are a lot of issues here. It's not sure that the IMF will give them money for several reasons. Firstly, of course, so many places right now are asking for money. So many countries now suffering because of the COVID-19 epidemic and will need help with an economic boost in the future. But also Lebanon has proved itself in the past not a very reliable candidate for a loan because, of course, there are lots of different measures that the IMF will ask Lebanon to impose in order for them to get this money. And there's still $11 billion outstanding that donors to the SED conference 2 years ago said they would pledge if Lebanon would impose some of these measures. They still haven't done it, so they're now asking for another $10 billion from the IMF. Now, if they agree the IMF, it's unlikely they'll give that much, but they may give around half of it. But what them agreeing to give Lebanon a loan would mean is that it encourages other foreign donors. It puts together a package of other IMF participants who will also give some more money.